point of therapy is not to get more insight. The insight in therapy is just a tool, and it is used for two purposes. One purpose is that once you know your own mechanics, you can learn to overcome your patterns and change them. So the insight needs to be used to fuel change, either cognitive in the way of thinking, emotion regulation, so how you deal with your emotions, or actual behavioral change, and that is the most difficult one. Also, the point of that insight, what we use it for, is that very often when you have specific rigid cognitive schemas, so ways of thinking that are like a pattern that is rigid, it kind of filters out a bit of your reality. So, for example, if you think of yourself as I'm not a confident person, you will avoid situations in which you could actually test that, which then confirms your pattern, which is like a self-fulfilling prophecy. But once you realize that you have that pattern, what you can do is you can remove the filter. It's like glasses, because the way of thinking about the world of a person determines what they take in and what they filter out. So the moment you gain an insight in the process of therapy or any other personal growth process is the moment where you should be already asking yourself, what am I going to use this insight for? Because insight itself, it's not very valuable.